So in this problem, we need to determine the point on the parabola x squared equals to 8y, at which the abscissa is going to be 3 times that of its ordinate. Let's begin. We will start by considering the point to be x1, y1, such that here the abscissa refers to the x coordinate and the ordinate refers to the y coordinate. So we have a condition here that the abscissa value x1 must be equals to the 3 times its ordinate value, that means 3 times y1. So we're going to use this relation. Now we have the equation of the parabola x squared equals to 8y. Clearly this point x1, y1 which lies on the parabola must satisfy the equation of the parabola. So all we have to do is replace the value of x with x1 to get x1 squared and y with y1 to get 8y1. So what we'll do, we'll use the condition that x1 equals 3y1. So we're going to replace the value of x1 with 3y1. So we have 3y1 squared equals to 8y1, which gives us 9y1 squared equals to 8y1. We'll transpose it to the left hand side to get negative 8y1. That will be equals to 0. So we take y1 as the common factor. So that gets multiplied to 9y1 minus 8 equals to 0. So here we will not consider y1 to be equals to 0. That's a trivial solution. So we'll consider 9y1 minus 8 equals to 0. So y1 will be equals to 8 over 9. So now do they have the value of y1? We can easily find out the value of x1. So x1 will be equals to 3 times 8 over 9. So 3 times 3, that's 9. So we get 8 over 3. So that means the point is, therefore, thus the point is going to be x coordinate, that's 8 over 3, and the y coordinate, that's 8 over 9. And clearly we see that if we take 3 times the ordinate value, the y coordinate value, we get the abscissa, which is 8 over 3.